Okay, so the next background we're going to use the cranberry ColorBox and the plum. So again, just ink up your brayer and transfer onto the jelly plate. And then moving on to plum. I haven't actually tried this colour combination before, so I'll be interested to see what this is like myself. Okay. And this time I'm going to use turquoise, sunburst lemon and cobalt blue. Sorry for the state of them. I am a bit of a messy worker. Okay, so we're going to start with the sunburst lemon. This is just water, by the way. Give my brush a bit of a clean. And then picking up some of that gorgeous colour and just tapping that over the jelly plate. Mop that up. Give my brush a clean, and then we'll move on to a little of the cobalt blue. It's quite a strong colour this, so we only want a little. But look how vibrant these colours are. They're just beautiful to work with. Just putting a little of this on. I don't want to overpower it. Okay. Again, just give my brush a bit of a clean. And then we're going to use the turquoise. Okay. Just mop that up. And then taking a piece of the multifarious card, just pop that down, line it up the best you can, but don't worry about that because we're going to trim them down. Smooth that over. Whoa, look at that. That is just stunning. Amazing backgrounds. Love it. Absolutely love it. And it's just so instant. Instant background, so quick, so easy. Okay, I'm going to pop this over here to dry off, and then we're going to move on to our next card.